Laughter is not just entertainment. It can also be meditation. When you laugh fully and wholeheartedly, something very powerful happens inside you. For those few moments, the flow of thoughts stops completely. It is impossible to think and laugh deeply at the same time. They are opposite energies. If you are still caught in thinking, your laughter will feel incomplete, forced, or half-hearted. But when laughter takes over, the mind disappears. In that instant, you touch a meditative state without effort. Laughter brings energy from your inner source to the surface. It flows like a shadow, following the sound and rhythm of joy. You feel lighter, freer, and more alive. In fact, laughter and dance are two of the most natural doors to meditation. When you are lost in dance, boundaries dissolve. You don't know where you end and where existence begins, you melt into the whole. The same is true for laughter. When laughter possesses you, you enter a state beyond thought. So how do we practice laughing meditation? Here are the steps. Every morning, the moment you wake up, before even opening your eyes, start by stretching your body like a cat. Stretch every fiber, every muscle, for 3 to 4 minutes. Then, with your eyes still closed, begin to laugh. At first, it may feel like you are forcing it. But don't worry, continue for 5 minutes. Soon, even the sound of your own laughter will trigger real laughter. Keep going. Lose yourself in it. In the beginning, it may take a few days to feel natural. We are so unaccustomed to laughing without a reason. But once it becomes spontaneous, it will completely change the tone of your day. You will start the morning fresh, light, and joyful, with the mind quiet and the heart open. Laughing meditation is a doorway to silence, a playful path into awareness. With laughter, you don't try to silence the mind, you simply laugh, and the silence follows on its own.